Sit with your back straight, hands in Dhyan Mudra. Close your eyes. We'll do the starting prayer now. Inhaling, take your arms sideways up, join your hands at the top. Exhaling, bring to center of the heart. Eyes are closed. Inhale again. Oh. Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityormokshiyamamridat. Inhale, take the hand straight upward. Straight, stretch it up, stretch it properly, straighten your back. Then exhale, bring the hands down. Now take both the legs in front of you. Take your hands behind you. Gently shake your legs. Here your palm should be facing backwards. Gently shake your legs, little time. Don't round your back. Yeah, don't sit like this. Keep your back leaning a little, but don't make it rounded. Keep your legs together. Inhale, point your toes forward. Exhale, point it backwards. Backwards, where is it pointing? You have to pull your toe backward. Inhale, front. You have to focus on it. Exhale, pull your toe back. Inhale, front. Finger also. Exhale, back. Inhale, front. Try to keep feet together. Exhale, back. One more time. Inhale, front. And exhale, back. Now feet rotation. 1, all the sides. 2, try without bending the knee. 3, घुटना bend नहीं होगा शायद. 4, पीछे भी जाएगा. 5, मतलब you have to point it to the back also. Change. 1, 2. You have to apply force in all the direction. 3, not only front. Okay. 4. One more round. 5. Now inhaling, keep your hands by the side of your hips. Now the hand will turn. See, whenever you keep it, keep your fingers open. Don't keep finger closed. Always like that. Okay. Now exhale. Left leg bent. You have to catch the shin bone. Chin on the knee. Your leg will be in the air. It will not be जमीन पे नहीं रहेगा. मतलब ऐसे. कोशिश कीजिए चिन को टच करने की. Release. राइट लेग बेंड करके उसको थोड़ा उठाना पड़ेगा तभी ऊपर आएगा ना, फिर चिन के पास आएगा. रिलीज. लेफ्ट लेग. रिलीज. राइट लेग. रिलीज. लेफ्ट लेग. रिलीज. राइट लेग. Release. Now bend your left leg, catch thigh bottom. So you have to catch it close to the body. See, you have to interlock your fingers. Below your leg, try to interlock it. Now what are you doing? Not like this. All the fingers interlock, keep it below the thigh. Full, all the fingers. Close to. Now inhale up. It has to go up. See the height. Exhale, bend. Inhale up. ऊपर की तरफ, Pramod. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Exhale. हाथ आगे नहीं जाएगा. Inhale. हाथ उधर ही रहेगा. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Release that leg. How many times? 5 times. Okay. Now catch the other leg. You have to catch it close to your body. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. See, are you getting a pull here? This here, Pramod? Either. Inhale 2. Exhale, bend. So it is to lengthen your hamstring. Inhale 3. exhale. So you should not release the hand like this. Okay, inhale 4, exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Release that leg 5 times each. Left leg fold, cross it over the right thigh. मतलब बाहर निकलेगा. Catch the toe, ankle rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice properly. Focus on what is happening there. 5. Opposite side. 1, 2. तो आपका कोशिश ये रहना है कि is it happening there? So your job is not to copy me. And 5. Now keep that leg Padmasana. So it was out. उसको अंदर लाके नाभि तक लेके आना है. ये नाभि है ना यहाँ पे. अभी हाथ पीछे चला गया. Flap your left thigh. यहाँ पे ये बटक्स उठाने का नहीं, बस उसको इसको फ्लैप करना है. 2, 3. Don't lift the other side buttocks. 4. Keep flapping your left thigh. Don't incline the other foot. Keep it straight leg. 5. Now catch the first finger of the toe. So how to hook it? You know, I have taught people. So hook it inside that finger. Inhale, stretch your leg in front. 1. तो आपको हाथ भी लंबा करना है, पैर भी लंबा करना है. 2. हाथ को ऐसे खींचेगा तो नहीं जाएगा, हाथ को आगे निकालना है. 3. So you have to extend your shoulder. No, other hand. Use your left hand. 4. Use your left hand. Okay. 5. Now जैसे शेप में वो है ऐसे ही उसको नीचे रखना है. Same shape. Now right leg को fold करके cross करना है over the other leg. Catch the toe, rotate ankle. 1, 2. Which hand you have to use? 3. Keep it outside the thigh. 4, 5. Opposite side rotate. 1. So you should feel that ankle is activating. 4 and 5. Now यही लेग को आपको पद्मासन. पद्मासन में क्या होगा? नाभि में आएगा, हाथ पीछे, फ्लैट. 1. दूसरा पैर ऐसे मत रखिएगा, इसको facing upwards. 2. Yeah. When you do like this, the height of that heel is gone. Correct? So you have to heel का height चाहिए थाई को. इसको ऐसा होगा तो थाई निकल जाएगा. 4. 5. I'm explaining you to focus there. On your body, is it correct or not? 5. Now hook the other leg with your which hand? Right hand. Stretch it front. Try to straighten your leg. 1. Extend your arm also so that your leg becomes straight. 2. So the left hand is used for supporting in the back. 3. You can keep it wherever you want so that you don't lose the balance. 4. जितना आपको you should find improvement. मतलब महीने के बाद उसको बहुत easy होना चाहिए. 5. Exhale नहीं, उसी शेप में आपको नीचे रखना है, उसी शेप में. Practice with serious. No smiling, not stop smiling, stop laughing. See, when you laugh means not like that. You have to take it with proper seriousness. I've told you many times. You're practicing, you're trying to learn. Learning time you cannot play. Okay? Take it seriously. Fold both the legs to the groin. Don't round your back. Keep your back straight. Okay? If you round your back, back pain will come. Catch the toe, flat. Pramod, और थोड़ा सा छाती को ऊपर उठाइए ऐसा. What will happen? आपका backbone bend नहीं होगा. 2. It's very important practice. All of us have to do this. It will open up यहाँ पे. 3. You'll open your groins. Yeah, you practice. 4. Keep on flattening this thigh. Gradually, पहले आपका ये जो calf muscle है ना, धीरे-धीरे. It will take a few months for the calf muscle to reach. Then it will become easier. So keep on opening. See, so many years of we have not done this, no? किया नहीं हमने. अगर if we practice daily, then it would have been very easy. And yeah, keep your back straight. 5. Relax. Release your legs in front of you. Hands at the back. अभी हाथ पीछे की तरफ चला गया. Put your chin down. Now neck rotation. 1. कान टच किया, पीछे चला गया. दूसरा कान टच किया, वापस आ गया. 2. So half a inhalation है, half a exhalation है. 3. यहाँ पे you can keep your legs relaxed. There is no need to keep it tight. 4. Breathing will be normal, but in synchronization. 5. See, I'm inhaling and I'm exhaling. Abhi ulta. 1. Try to synchronize with my numbers. 2. अगर पहले खत्म हो गया तो और एक एक्स्ट्रा राउंड ले लो बस. 3. Otherwise you can take less round also, no problem. 4. ज्यादा स्पीड का जरूरत नहीं है. Not at all required. 1 more round. 5. You have to complete all the 10 circles. Where will you finish? जहां से चालू किया ना, वहां से चालू किया वहां पे finish करना है. Now sit straight. Keep your hands in rowing position. मतलब you are catching the oar of the boat. ऐसा नहीं. Oar will be here, no? It will not be far away. It will be near the body. Take inhalation. Keep the knee straight. Exhale, row forward. So यहाँ पे देखिए ना, stomach has to come. Now don't do like this. So bring the stomach forward. Don't round like this. Exhale. So देखो, chin आगे आ रहा है, chin नीचे नहीं जा रहा है. Inhale back. So you are leaning a little back. Leaning also. Lean a little. Exhale down. Stomach thigh पे आ गया. Inhale back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. One more. Exhale and inhale. अभी उल्टा. Exhale. Inhale. पीछे की तरफ रोइंग कीजिए. Exhale. स्टमक लाना है. Inhale. 3. 4. Lean a little and go forward a little. One more round. 5. Okay. 5 plus 5. Now you have to spread the legs. देखो, how much ever you can spread, that is the benefit. So whatever maximum you have to spread, that much. और जाएगा प्रमोद. Keep it wider. Don't keep the toe falling out. Keep the toe facing up. So when you go down also, you should not open like this. Keep it straight only. Your knee should be firm. Okay, if you are not able to widen, क्या करना है? हाथ पीछे रख के थोड़ा सा widen कर सकता है. बरोबर है? Keep your back straighter. Interlock your fingers. Interlock. Take inhalation. Exhale से हमारा target है वो toe. Exhale, go to the left toe. Look at that. Don't look at me. Look at which is your left toe. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. Then inhale to the other toe and come back. Exhale 2. You have to sweep. See, you have to sweep the area and come back. Come back. Exhale 3. Inhale back. Okay, Pramod? Exhale 4. तो मुझे वहां पे देखना है. I have to look at the toe. Inhale back. One more time. Exhale 5. Inhale back. See, a lot of rounding. Straighten your back. Take now other side. Exhale 1. Inhale. So I'm extending and coming back. Correct? Exhale 2. Yeah. Inhale. You can take your arm over your feet. Exhale 3. Inhale. You have to open up here. Exhale 4. Inhale. Keep it wider if you can. Exhale 5. Look at the toe. No. Inhale back. Now fold your legs. See, like this. How did I fold? All these things you can practice. No, the way you fold, it should look nice. Correct? Now try to do Padmasana. Ya to ek leg, otherwise both the leg. You can just keep one leg also. It's fine. Is it possible? One leg Padmasana? See, it is happening. So next day when you do, you should keep the other leg Padmasana. ऐसे. Correct? So दोनों side बराबर हो जाएगा. Otherwise, keep both. Those who can easily keep, now she is keeping very easily. Okay, but careful, you should not hurt your knee. Now bring the arms in front. So keep the weight front. So don't keep weight back. Then back will go. See the difference of the back. So this is not good or this is not good. This is good because I'm coming front. Yeah, close, open, close, open, wide, close, wide, open, close. Focus it. What is happening? Fold, open. Now drop. up, down, up. Look at your palm if you want. Down, up. Bring the mind there. Down, up, down, up. Fist को close कीजिए. अभी outward rotate करेंगे. 1, बाहर की तरफ. 2, 3, 4. हाँ, good चेतना. 5. अभी उल्टा घुमाइए. 1, हाथ को गिरा नहीं करने. 2, back straight करो. 3, very good. 4, 5. यहां से directly bring your hands on your shoulder. Don't drop your elbow. Straight. Straight means in front. सीधा आगे. Fold. Straight. Straight back. Fold. Straight. I know your shoulders will be tightening. Fold. I know that. Straight. I want that to happen. Fold. Straight. Now fold it there itself. Touch your elbows in front. Don't look down. 1, ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा. ऊपर. And then नीचे तरफ आएगा. 2, it has to cross your head. See, the chin, head doesn't change. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. Down. Back doesn't change, no? 3, good. Down. All these are connected. 4, down. 1 more round. 5, opposite side. 1, keep your chin straight. Up. Your elbow has to go up. 2, 3, ऊपर की तरफ, remote. 4, don't close your eyes. 1 more round. 5. Then you will reach somewhere here, interlock your finger, inhale and stretch up. Now straighten your back, keep the weight upwards. 1. आपका जो हाथ है कान के पीछे रहेगा. 2, correct. Yeah, so the reason is it's going up. 3, breathe, normal breathing. 4, stretch. Don't look here and there. Don't look 100 places. Look 1 point. 5, exhale, bring the hands down without losing that straightness of the back. So jo straight tha, so just do it again. Just stretch like this. So in this position where how much your chest has gone and your back is straight, that's a straight back. Exhale. Now without changing the back and your chest, bring your hands down. Now see the straightness? So जब हाथ ऊपर था, so whatever straightness was there, that is the back straight position. Okay, chest may come down a little. Now slowly release one leg. Take one leg, उसको सीधा कीजिए. Second leg also. हाथ पीछे थोड़ा सा shake कीजिए. All these are loosening. One more loosening practice is Marjariasana. दोनों पैर कोई भी एक साइड फोल्ड करो. Then come to cat position. Don't make noise. Laughing also not there. No laughing. Take it properly. Yeah. Keep your knees apart. Feet apart. The toe should be pointing backward. पीछे की तरफ. All the fingers should be taking your weight. See, your fingers are not taking the weight. It's not like this. You have to push. It's a firm push. You have to push the floor. Okay. ज्यादा दूर मत रखिएगा. ठीक है. Inhale, head up, tailbone up. ऊपर की तरफ chin ऊपर गया, backbone, tailbone ऊपर गया. Exhale, reverse. So you have to push and make a rounded back. Inhale, 2. You have to look upwards. Exhale, reverse slowly. You can do Jai breathing here if you want. Inhale, 3. Gradually look upwards. Exhale, reverse. Rounded back. Inhale, 4. Observe your practice, your own practice. Exhale, reverse. Last one. Inhale, 5. Now stay there. 1, 2. Chin up, chin up. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. 4, 5. Up. Exhale, reverse. 1, 2. Push the ground. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, neutral position. Look straight. Now you have to change your feet from there itself. Just change your feet to standing position. Pointing to back. Now, आपका जो हाथ और पैर उसी जगह पे रहेगा when you lift your knees. Don't change your palm of feet. Exhale, bus. You should not change palm of it. In this position, your heel has to touch your mat. एडी को जमीन पे टच करने का कोशिश कीजिए without bending the knee. Push. You have to straighten your back. 1. Stay there for some time. Yeah, push the ground, straighten your back, all of you. 2. Straighten the back. Yeah, straighten your back a little more. 3. Push. You have to push and straighten the hunch. 4. Stay there. Straighten the knee if you can, Pallav. बस कोशिश करते रहने का. 5. Now, last week also I told you, you have to look between your hands. हाथ के जो बीच में जो गैप है ना, उस पे देखेगा तब पैर वहां पहुंचेगा एक ही स्टेप में. So 1, no, don't just step 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Try to step like that. Chin up, chin up. Feet together आएगा. Promote. आप देखा था ना वहां पे, देखने के बाद आपने रखा. Chin up, chin up. Uma, take a breath or two if you want. Chin up. Make a concave back. Exhale. Try to touch everything on the legs. मतलब छाती, chin, forehead, सब कुछ touch. जो भी अच्छा लगे आपको touch कीजिए. Now inhale, stand up. Side से हाथ ऊपर आएगा. Side से यहाँ तक palm facing the ground. यहाँ पे turn होगा. ऊपर आएगा तो हाथ पे दृष्टि, उंगली पे, मतलब अंगुष्ठ दृष्टि. Exhale, bring the hands down sideways. Tuck your shirt properly. Back side. Here also shirt रहता है ना, पीछे भी shirt रहता है. Ready for Surya Namaskar. So now when you attend online class, ideally you can face like this, facing the laptop when you are attending online. And see, मैंने पूरा चेक करके लगाया, तो मेरा हाइट पूरा दिखता है ना कैमरा में. Very simple. So this is the way you have to attend online class. Huh? What did I say now? What did I say? Huh? Something. Why? So I was telling something. No, what were you doing? No, what was I telling? You don't know. What was happening in the mind that time? What is happening in the mind that time? Don't know. You are looking somewhere there. When I'm talking, you have to listen. Okay. So understand why you are not able to focus. You have to focus when I'm talking something. Samasthiti. There should not be any gap between the arm and the body. Don't keep tomato here. Huh? Tomato, no? Keeping, what is it? Tomato, no? Some people keep tomato like this. See, there is tomato there. See, tomato. I told you, no gap should be there. Straight. Steadiness. Feet together. Front of the mat. Always Surya Namaskar starts from the front. I should look my front. Okay. Inhaling. Take the arms sideways up. यहाँ तक ऐसे, यहाँ से घूमेगा, ऊपर तक आ गया. Exhale, heart center. Close your eyes. Inhale. Oh. All of us. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखम् तत्त्वं पूषन्न पावृणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. ओ Inhaling, open your eyes. Exhaling, try to look at the nose. If it's very tough, look straight in front of you. Okay, for you and all, nose is important. You have to look at your nose. Okay, don't look anywhere else. Ekam, inhale, take your arms up, bend back. Inhale. Dvi, exhale, bend forward. I'm going very slow. Trini. Inhale, left foot back. Chin up. Exhale. Take the second foot. Slow keeping. Mountain position. No, mountain, straight plank. You're making a V shape. We are all making a plank shape. Pancha. Inhale, keep the knee down. Exhale, backward, sitting, forward, folding. Shat. Inhale, come forward on your knees. Change your feet. Exhale, go forward, down. Try to keep your chest. Like X, where is my X? Where is her? Sapta. Change your feet. Inhale, lift your chest. Head last. Ashta. Exhale and lift your back. Nava. Inhale, keep the knee down. Exhale, sit and fold your body. Dasha. Inhaling, left foot forward. Chin up. Wrong position. हाथ पैर आगे चला गया ज्यादा. Ekadasha. Exhale, bring the second leg. Dwadasha. Inhale, stand up. Slowly stretch your arm back. Samasthiti. Exhale. Om Mitraya Namaha. Ekam. Inhale. Dvi. Lamba exhale. Trini. Right leg. Inhale, chin up. Chatwari. Exhale. Plank position, Pallav. Plank. Pancha. Inhale. Exhale. Shat. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Ashta. Exhale. Nava. Inhale. Exhale. Dasha. Inhale, right foot. No, that sound will not come. Ekadasha. Exhale. Dwadasha. Inhale, stand up, stretch your arm backward. Samasthiti. Exhale. Om Ravaye Namaha. Ekam. Inhale. पीछे की तरफ. Dvi. Lamba. See, no, see, don't. See, the problem is from there, it's you're doing like this. You don't take it right. Take it forward, forward. Aage. And exhale. Trini. Left leg. Inhale, chin up. Chatwari. Exhale. High plank. A full finger, full palm, fellow. Chin straight. Pancha. Inhale. And exhale slowly. Full sitting. Shut. Inhale. Change your feet. Exhale. Inhale. Ashta. Exhale. Nava. Inhale, knee down. Head straight. Pramod, head straight. Exhale. Dasha. Inhale, left foot. See, when you keep, your shin bone should be perpendicular. It should not go like this. It should be perpendicular. देखो आपका आगे चला गया ऐसा. तो ये जो है ना वो ये परपेंडिकुलर मतलब और आगे रखना पड़ेगा उसे. And chin up. Exhale. Second. Ekadash. Inhale, stand up. You have to stretch back. Push the buttock forward. Buttocks forward. And exhale to Namaskar. See, yeah, put your hands down. See, when I bend back, I have to bend like this. So that you have to take the body backward. Try to stretch, everybody. Like that, put effort to bend back. Keep your arm parallel, Pooja. Correct. Exhale, come to Namaskar Mudra. So, इसमें you have to कमर आगे जाता है ना मेरा, तो कमर आगे जाता है, हाथ पीछे जाएगा. So मैं पीछे जाने से ज्यादा बैलेंस करने के लिए कमर पुश कर रहा हूं. Then only you will bend. तो ऐसा करोगे नहीं जाएगा. So I have to push and arch my back. Exhale to Namaskar. Then only the back bend will come. One more round. Ekam. Inhale. द्वि. लंबा. लंबाई. यहां पे लंबाई इंपॉर्टेंट है, राउंडिंग नहीं. Trini. Right leg, good step. Take a good step. Then only this shin bone will come perpendicular. China. Look toward the eyebrow. Exhale. Second leg. Now everybody stay here for a while. Inhale. Straight plank. Exhale. Head straight, head straight. Head straight. Pramod. Inhale. Maintain the position. Exhale. Maintain. Inhale, keep your knee down slowly. When you keep it like this, you take that weight. Now when you exhale and sit, हाथ वहां से नहीं हिलेगा. Shut. Inhale, come up. Now change your feet, standing toe. Now everybody, Chaturanga. मैं दिखाने वाला हूं कैसे चतुरंगा. You and all. Where is the finger opening? Where is it? How many times I have to tell you that? You have to bring the focus there. You have to push with your finger always open. Exhale. Now everything in the air. How many of you can do that? सब कुछ हवा में. सब कुछ हवा में. चेतना. घुटना भी. घुटना भी. घुटना भी. Now छाती भी. Okay, now change your feet. Inhale, lift your upper body. Open, open, look upwards. ऐसा नहीं, प्रमोद, सब कुछ हवा में है, कुछ जमीन पे नहीं, पैर पीछे की तरफ, घुटना हवा में, लेकिन कमर आगे आएगा, कमर आगे, आगे और आगे, घुटना हवा में. Exhale, lift your back. And now 5 breaths here. Knees over. 1 breath is over. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Breathe in with the sound. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your feet a little apart, all of you. Don't keep your feet together. Heel on the mat. AD jameen par. Inhale. And exhale. 5. Now inhale, keep the knee down. When you keep the knee down, knee कैसे रखेगा? ऐसे रखा जाएगा. क्योंकि पैर तो दूर है, नी अंदर आके रखना पड़ेगा. अंदर आके. Now change the feet. ये इसको ऐसा करके exhale. देखो नहीं, हंसने का नहीं. Sit back, completely sit back. Wide finger always. Inhale, which leg will come? Anybody? Right leg. Pooja is vigilant there. Inhale, right foot between your hand. ये देखो ना, मैं देखो यहाँ पे देख रहा हूं. I know मेरा palm यहाँ पे है, तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा ऐसा रखने का, अलाइनमेंट में. दिखेगा तब पता चलेगा ना. चिना. Finger tips on the mat. Tip पल्लाव. Tip. China. You have to stretch your throat. Upper, don't look at me. Look at this, your own eyebrow. Exhale, bring the second leg. Bend the body into the legs. Ekadasha. Inhale, Dwadasha. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale slowly. Here. Otherwise, look forward. Om Bhanave Namaha. Inhale, take the hand straight up. All the fingers will be straight. Exhale, bring the hands down. Now, drishti will be on the nose. Remove the drishti and look forward. That completes Surya Namaskara, like that. Yeah, puja, good drishti. Hands on your eye, feet apart. Shoulder distance, hands on the eye. Don't round. Don't keep your chest hollow. Keep your chest wide. Eyelids pura open. I rotate. 1. Look on the corner. 2. Everywhere. Upper side. 3. Har kona. 4. Don't open your mouth. 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3. It will also reduce your heartbeats and all. 4. One more round. 5. Release. Hands on the waist. Look straight. Inhale, look at your nose. Exhale, look far. Breathing properly, no? Inhale, nose. You can take a good breath. Nose, where is your nose? Exhale, walk. Your nose is here. Now you have to look at your nose. Inhale, nose. Not closer. Look at this nose. Your nose, you have to look your nose. You're closing the eye. See, where is your nose? Here, no? You have to look at there. Both the eyes. Not close. Now look far. One more time. Inhale, nose. Nose, your nose, tip of the nose. Stay there for some time looking. 1, normal breathing. 2, it's a near vision. 3, you have to look on your own. Nasagra drishti. 4, inwards. 5, it's a symbolic way. Looking inwards into yourself. Now exhale, look far away. The same point which you look, that same point you look. 1, 2. I'm looking at that switchboard. 3, 4. 1 point you have to see. 5. Release. Without changing जो पैर का जो position है वहीं पे रहेगा. Hands on the knee. यहाँ पे, yeah. Keep your elbow straight, back straight. Chetna. Not this one. You should not do this. Keep it. Your आपका जो shoulder है ना, वो कान तक आएगा. See, where is my shoulder? So most of you are standing like. See, Chetna is like this. I'm like this. This is not required. This is correct. सी इसमें क्या हो गया, आपका इसको मैं नीचे खींच लिया तो मेरा स्पाइन लंबा हो गया. Got it? Yeah. Look down directly below your mat, as below your head. Inhale, mouth exhale, stomach in. तब तक इनहेल नहीं था. ओके, नी स्ट्रेट. that much time. Around 15 seconds. So घुटना ऐसा था, उसको ऐसा हो गया. उद्यान बंधा, it's a lock. See, in the yoga, it's a lock. There are several locks in yoga. This is one of the lock. Stomach lock is called. Keeping the knee straight. One more, the same lock we will do. Inhale, exhale. Up, stomach. Inhale हो गया, घुटना bend. So around 12 to 15 seconds. See, after some time, if you feel it's very difficult, don't hold it too much. That's not the idea. You have to do your best without hurting. Bend the knee, okay? Back straight. Elbow straight. Somewhere thoda sa gadbad hai, Pramod. Now, stomach pumping. Inhale. Exhale. Pumping. Inhale हो गया? 2 times. सांस लेके छोड़ दो. Knee straight. Round number 4. Inhale. Throw. Pump. Inhale. Exhale. Knee bend. Bend. Last one, standing Uddiyana. Inhale. Mouth. Full stand. Exhale. Now relax. Now, have to ideally walk back and turn left. Your own left. Huh? Feet together, hands tight. All the fingers facing down, even your thumb. Uma. No gap. Tomato सब निकाल दो. हाँ, correct. Hereafter, breathing सुनाई देगा. I will keep the mic. Relax. All of it, relax a little. जैसे आपका सूर्य नमस्कार में आवाज आ रहा था, वो आवाज वापस आ जाएगा. अच्छा, ये ऑन भी नहीं हो रहा है क्या? Okay, it's not working. Okay, I'll do without this, no problem. Oh. Sthiti, feet together, hands tight. Completely exhale the breath. Take an inhale, right leg out, catch your waist. Inhale हो गया. Exhale, interlock your elbow. Back side में interlock. Now inhale, turn to the right. Leg also will turn. Leg also. On the exhalation, bend the body. You are looking at the toe now. Start inhaling. Exhale. 1. Exhale. 2. 3. Inhale, stand. Along with the timing, you cannot come up early. Exhale, turn. Inhale, turn to the other side. Slowly turn and exhale. Exhale is over, Pallav. First inhalation start. No, I want sound from the throat. Exhale. 1. No, ocean breathing. Exhale. 2 is over. Inhale. And exhale. 3. Inhale, stand up. Stand up, stand up. Exhale, turn. Slowly. Inhale, catch your waist. Exhale, walk to the left. Hand also down, hand also down. Hand also. Inhale, right leg 4 feet. It's a longer step. Catch your waist. Exhale, turn to the right. So the full shoulder turns to the right leg. Pura shoulder घूमेगा right leg की तरफ. You have to balance. You have to take the strength. Catch your waist. तो ये जो डिस्टेंस है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप ऐसे रखोगे तो कैसे वीरभद्र नहीं आएगा. दूसरा कौन सा भद्र आएगा उसमें है? हाँ. Sorry. 3. Inhale, take your hands up. Side से ऊपर जाएगा. All the finger up. Exhale. Yeah, bend the knee without leaning. Correct. Inhale, look at your thumb. आपका ब्रेथ मुझे सुनाई देना चाहिए. Exhale. 1. Exhale. Apply strength, man. Look at your thumb there. Inhale. पीछे का एड़ी नहीं उठेगा. पीछे का एड़ी जमीन पर. Exhale. 3. Inhale, leg straight. पूरा elbow straight. Promote. Exhale, hands down. पैर किधर था? कैसे नजदीक आ गया? No, see the distance. See your distance. Take it longer. Look straight. Keep your chest open. That was exhalation. Now inhale, turn. See how the turn happens. Exhale to the other side. पूरा शरीर लेफ्ट लेग की तरफ टर्न हो गया. Inhale, hands up. And then exhale, bend. Inhale, look at your thumb. Exhale. 1. 2. 3. Inhale, leg straight. Exhale, catch your waist. Inhale, turn and reduce the distance. थोड़ा सा reduce. Exhale, jump. Turning and jumping, Pramod. See, when you land, you should land properly. Relax. Normal breathing. Take 2 or 3 breaths. Normal breathing. समस्थिति. दृष्टि सीधा सामने. वृक्षासन. टमाटर निकालो. टमाटर टमाटर. ये तो पूरा टमाटर रखा हुआ है. सब निकाल दो उसको. 1 point. Look, if you look at me, you'll fall. आपको आगे देखना पड़ेगा. Take inhalation. See, okay, all of you exhale. So your breath is like this. No, that's not regulated. Who's making that sound? Kiska aaya? Do it again. Oh, exhalation. Inhale also. No, वो भी exhalation ही है. What you're doing, I'll tell you. You're doing. All exhale is only sound coming. I want inhale also. You show me. Sound. Inhalation. Better. Yeah, that control is there. You're able to do it, no? So in your case, inhalation is happening, but it's not broken. You cannot control it. The reason is there is no tap because it's like this. That sound has to come. Take inhalation. No. See, it is this. Exhale. Now. So there is no control or tap. Now I will control here. If you ask me to do the same in 3 seconds, I will do. You ask me to make it 10? You can make it 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is control, no? So try to practice at home. Get that sound during inhale, exhale, both. All of you have to learn that. Sitting. Look forward, look forward. Vrikshasana, remove tomato. How many times I told you? Tight. No gaps. Take inhalation. Inhalation. Exhale, bend the left leg. See, please put it down. No, no. See, please put it down. What did I tell you first? I told you look at one point. When you take the leg, you are not supposed to look at the leg. जब पैर उठाएगा वो टाइम पे पैर पे नहीं देखना है, मन से कैलकुलेट करना है पैर किधर है, पैर कहां से कहां पहुंचेगा, मेरा दृष्टि किधर है, एक ही जगह पे मेरा दृष्टि टीचर पे नहीं है, स्क्रीन पे नहीं है, तन्मय पे नहीं है, चेतना पे नहीं, किसी के भी नहीं है, मेरा दृष्टि एक ही जगह पे पैर पे मन है, कहां आ गया मुझे पता है नाउ, जब हाथ ऊपर जाएगा तब भी एक ही दृष्टि पे है, एक ही जगह पे. नाउ डू इट अगेन, पुट योर लेग डाउन, लुक एट वन पॉइंट. हैंड्स टमाटर नहीं है, निकाल दो टमाटर, पहले सांस ले लो, एक ही जगह पे देखना है, मैं बोला आपको एक ही जगह पे देखना है. अभी एक्सेल करते एक, यहां पे क्यों देख रहा है? You are supposed to look at one point. You can look at this point. You look at this point. Looking here, bend your left leg. Why did you look at me? And now take your hands up, looking at that point. Same point. गिरेगा तो भी उसी point देखना है. एक ही point. No. See, this is where the clarity has to come. When I say look at one point, you have to look at one point. That is the problem is coming from there. Please realize. Don't look at me. Look at that same point. No, you're looking at me. Are you able to understand that you're not looking at one point? Now, inhale all of you. Exhale, left leg down. Now inhale, hands up. Start exhaling. Inhale. 1. 2. 3. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, leg forward. Exhale, leg down. See how I bring the leg down? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 1. 2. 3. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now drishti change. Sthiti. Ekam. 2. कौन सा क्या पकड़ना है अभी? No. Toe means this is full toe. What do you have to catch? Huh? Anybody? Huh? First finger. What is it called? Big toe. It's called big toe. Hook करो. Hook. घुटना बेंड करो प्रमोद. घुटना बेंड करो. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसका आइडिया है पकड़ने के बाद बेंडिंग बढ़ाने का. ओके. इनिशियली थोड़ा घुटना बेंड रहने दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम. नाउ इनहेल, हेड अप. Head up. It's okay if you're bending the knee slightly. Head up, little more up. चलो. हाँ, थोड़ा सा घुटना बेंड करके ऊपर देखो. हाँ, पहले प्रमोद थोड़ा सा घुटना बेंड करके ऊपर देखो ऊपर. And now exhale, bend the body and try to bring your head inside the knee. Using your उंगली के से बॉडी को पुल करना है. Why are you catching the toe? क्योंकि वो हाथ का पकड़ से you are trying to pull the body down. So your elbow has to bend. Okay, now inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, little more deeper. Inhale, exhale, और थोड़ा डीप चला गया. Inhale and exhale. Try to look at your anus. Now inhale, head up. Head up, elbow straight. Elbow straight हो गया. Exhale, insert your palm below the feet. कैसे? एक के बाद एक. देखो मेरा रिस्ट तक जाना चाहिए. Your wrist, it's okay, you can bend the knee, no problem. जितना आपको नी बेंड करना है उतना बेंड करो प्रमोद. और जो रिस्ट तक है ना, रिस्ट तक, उंगली नहीं, रिस्ट. प्रमोद मेरा हाथ देखो इधर. देखो नीचे चला गया ना. हाँ, आप घुटना जितना चाहिए बेंड करके पूरा घुटना बेंड करो. चाहिए तो बैठ जाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. हाँ, नाउ इनहेल, हेड अप. हेड अप कीजिए. एल्बो नी स्ट्रेट, थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेट नी. And now exhale, head inside the knee. Now inhale, थोड़ा शरीर ऊपर आएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Exhale. 1. Inhale, deeper breathing. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. 3. Inhale, head up. ऊपर की तरफ, eyebrow पे दृष्टि. Exhale, catch your waist. वहीं पे खड़े होने का जरूरत नहीं, जहां पे था उधर catch your waist. Now inhale, stand up. Exhale, jump. Relax. Now sit. Shitala Dandasana. Any doubts you want to? हमने loosening cover किया. Sit. Come again. Coming, stand up. Sit without falling. Without falling. गिरने का नहीं. Sit without falling. It's possible, no? Then why do you have to fall? Hands back, shake your legs. हाथ पीछे की तरफ रहेगा. Relax like that. In Shitala Dandasana, Shitala means weak or relaxed. Dandasana, Danda means stick. Asana means posture. Relaxed, stick posture. Eyes are closed. Now Samasthiti. When you Samasthiti comes, finger will never be like this. Finger will be pointing front. Your back will come erect, legs will be together, knees will be straight, life will be there on the tip of your toes. You have to straighten your back. Open up your shoulder, shoulder open. Even हाथ नहीं रहेगा तो भी back सीधा होना चाहिए. Keep your legs tight without catching. Just keep your hand relaxed. You're able to sit fairly, okay? Okay. Yeah, see, Pooja is able to sit. Yeah, she is able to sit. She is able. Better, Pramod, and you have to improve really. So it should not. That's the reason. It comes all from here. यहाँ पे straight नहीं है. That's the reason. So come on your sit bone. यहाँ पे दो bone है ना, ये bone. That is where you have to sit on. You don't sit on the back of that buttock back side. Come front. Samasthiti. Hand will help you to sit a little more straight. Hand should be side of your hips, not at the back, not in front. We have straight, legs together. Point your toe forward. Ekam inhale, bend your legs and keep it close to the body. Left leg, keep it very close. That's inhalation. On the exhalation, you got to bring this shoulder in front. ये shoulder को आगे लेके आया, बराबर है? Why are you laughing? Which shoulder did I take? Which shoulder did I take? Same shoulder, other side shoulder? Huh? Which shoulder did I take? Is it this leg and this hand are on different sides? Which is this leg? ये कौन सा leg है मेरा? Right leg है? Then left leg then. Then which shoulder did I bring forward? ये right है? वो confused है. कौन सा shoulder है ये left है. तो आपका वो कौन सा? Is right. Same side only I am using, no? Then why are you bringing this hand? Your no other hand. Bring the shoulder front. ये आपको सोचना पड़ेगा क्या क्या हो रहा है. Bring it front. Now inhale, swing this hand from the back. Try to. Okay, थोड़ा सा wrap करेगा अभी चलेगा. Now so exhale, bend forward. ये हाथ को आगे लीजिए प्रमोद. Bring that hand in front. Left वाला हाथ आगे. Left वाला हाथ. हाँ ऐसा wrap कीजिए पीछे. Inhale, look at your toe. Good fellow. Exhale. 1. Look at your toe. 2. Bring the weight forward. आगे weight लेके आना है. And exhale. 3. Now inhale, sit up, remove your hand. दोनों एक ही action है. Exhale, release the leg. See how did I bring friends? Not like this. How did I bring? It was looking nice, no, when it went. ऐसे लेके आना है. Ekam inhale. How did I keep it not? What did I do? Properly kept it. Exhale. Inhale, catch, other hand. शायद नहीं कैच होगा, चलेगा. Look at the toe and exhale. Look at your toe. Inhale. Every breath I am counting yours. Exhale. 1. 2. One more. Look at your toe. 3. Inhale, sit up, hands remove. Exhale. Sit straight. Right finger. Leg straight. Point your toe. Back straight. Inhale. Exhale, move your hand. Thoda sa. Elbow will bend, thoda sa. Now inhale, lift up. Start exhaling. Eyebrow pe drishti. Gutna seedha. Inhale. 1. Keep your feet together, point your toe. 2. Inhale, all of you. Put your head back, Pramod. 3. Exhale, come down. Slowly, slowly, using the strength you have to come down. Now inhale, hands in front. Sit straight, point your toe, right finger, back straight, chest open, shoulder wide. Relax. What is the asana name? 2 asanas, anybody give the name? 2 asanas we did. What is the name of both the asanas?
Vrishtikasana.
Yeah, what is the first one? Marichasana, Marichi. Second one? No, not Parvata. Purvottanasana. Purva means east. Uttana means west. Purva means Paschim is west. Uttana, sit straight. Uttana means stretch or pull. What is the east side? Why is it called east stretch posture? Puja. Okay, where is the west? Where is the west? Where is the north? Where is the south? There are 4 sides for the body. Where is the east? Where is the west? Where is north and south? So east, what she said is correct. Front of the body, east. What is west? Back of the body. Yeah. The back side complete. Back, bottom of your thigh, calf muscle, all that is west. Where is north? Yeah, north is the crown. South? Bottom of your feet. These are the 4 sides of the body. Why is it Purvottanasana? This is front, no? East. So when I lift like this, the east, the front of the body stretches. When you do Paschimottanasana, Paschim in west, no? When you bend forward, what is stretching? Here, calf, all this stretching. Paschima Uttana Asana. Uttana means pull or stretch. Paschimottanasana, Purvottanasana. See, all the names are properly given by the people. We don't know, that's the only thing. Vakrasana. Samasthiti. Sit straight. Keep your legs together. Point your toes forward. Chest up. Open your shoulder. Palm by the side of your buttocks. No, man, I cannot see any improvement. What is the hand doing? It should be here. Now, straighten your back. Point your toe. Ekam inhale. Left leg bend. Keep your left hand at the back side. Left leg bend. Left hand at the back side. Left hand at the back side. राइट हैंड तो गया भी नहीं, राइट हैंड तो इधर ही है, राइट हैंड इधर है, लेफ्ट हैंड पीछे. On the exhalation, bring the right hand on the left side. If you can catch the toe, whatever possible. Now inhale, look back. So you have to breathe more into the left lungs. Tanmay, other side. Exhale. Please go and sit there. Stop practicing. Stop practicing. Stop practicing. Now go and sit there. Sofa sit. Sofa sit. Sofa sit. Go and sit there. because you're not listening. Go there. Observe what others are doing. Sit in sofa. Don't do sitting from there. Okay? Sit there. First observe what people are doing. First try to clear your mind. Now inhale, look back. Exhale the breath. 1. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Push and rotate, Pallav. So you have to push and rotate. Oh, good. Now inhale, look forward, release the hands. There is inhalation. Abhi, your lungs are full. Now exhale, release. Inhale, bend the right. Right hand पीछे चला गया. Right hand. वो एक ही स्टेप है. तो यहां से जो पैर आ गया, हाथ चला गया, एक ही स्टेप है. एक ही इनहेल में तीनों हो जाता है. ऐसे था. You have to synchronize, your thoughts, action, and breathing. And then exhale. पीछे की तरफ. Inhale, गर्दन घुमाइए. Exhale, spin. 1. Inhale. Point the other toe forward. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale, right shoulder back. पेट को बाहर निकालना है. And exhale. 3. Inhale, look forward, release the hands. Inhalation. Exhale, leg straight. Good. Inhale, lift both your legs 30 degrees. Exhale, interlock your finger. Balance. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Don't catch. Try to point your toe. 2. And exhale. 3. Inhale, keep your hand. Only hand. Exhale, leg. Sit straight. Now relax. So some of the important points of your Vakrasana. Here, try to bring the armpit on the thigh. Armpit. All of you try. Armpit on the thigh. Other hand. Hello. Dusra hand. Try to fix this armpit. She got it. आप भी कोशिश कीजिए. तो क्या करना है, ये जो एल्बो है ना, ये जो पेट है, पेट को बाहर निकालना है. ऐसे बाहर निकाल के वापस आना है. You can try the other side, Pooja. Correct. Akkade, Indo, Usha. Sorry, Uma. Akkade. Change the leg, hand. Armpit bandidya. Namda armpit idella. Armpit. Yeah. Then that binding is easy. Now Pooja can do that. Chetna, do it. Yahan se agar armpit aa gaya, then you can bend your elbow also. Try to bend your elbow and wrap it over that knee. Then it's very easy to catch. With the other hand from the back side. See, she's able to catch. Yeah. It's okay. You try. No, the reason is if you bring it out, then it's possible to breathe. Other side is okay. Even with the catch, binding. Maybe, see, generally, release. Generally, most people, one side will be easier compared to the other. It's quite normal. No, not breath, because the twist will not be very good on that side. The one side is you are doing it both equally, but with a little more effort, you may be doing that. So the breath will be labored there. So if you clear it off, I know it's a little difficult to breathe, but if you clear, it will be possible. Inhale, look forward. Now another mistake I'll tell you. Now inhale is over. When you untwist, exhale is over. When you untwist, you have to inhale properly. Abhi exhale ho gaya. Now, ये भूल जाते हैं हम लोग, देन एक्सेल। ये भूल गया तो इसमें एक्सेल नहीं आएगा ना, एक्सेल कहां से आएगा, इनहेल नहीं किया हमने, सो दैट्स वेयर वी मेक ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ಅನ್ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ, ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, then exhale release. So don't forget, after the asana is complete, the job is not over. You have to come back also in the similar fashion. That is one. Then in that this one, don't do like this, then back pain will come. So keep back a little and rounding, don't do rounding, don't do that. So try to keep your back also straight, leg also straight, like this. Yeah, if you want, bend the knee slightly without catching the leg. थोड़ा सा घुटना बेंड चलेगा, इनहेल, थोड़ा सा घुटना बेंड रखो, एक्सेल, गुड, इनहेल, हैंड्स डाउन, एक बार सपोर्ट आ गया तो इजी है, डाउन, एक्सेल, हियर इट इज वर्किंग, थोड़ा सा टाइटनेस हो रहा है इधर ना, हाँ होता है, yeah, sometimes it shakes, that means our strength is gone for that. So try to stay whatever possible, that's all. Okay, now then any other clarifications? You're in the standing asanas. Then this one, when you bend forward, it's okay when you bend forward, चलेगा इतना, देखो घुटना बेंड किया मैंने, instead of doing, don't do that. See, I'm bending the knee, easily catching. Now inhale, head up, इतना हेड आ गया, घुटना नीचे है ना, instead of doing, not required. Now exhale. देखो घुटना बंद है, चलेगा. अभी इनहेल करने का टाइम, एल्बो को ऐसा रख के घुटना सीधा करना है, थोड़ा सा अंदर चला गया. अभी दूसरा इनहेल. See, my elbow is not moving. See, my intelligence is on my leg. और थोड़ा सीधा कर दिया और अंदर. अभी एल्बो वैसा ही है. So I'm saying keeping the, you have, आपने घुटना बेंड करके नीचे आ गया, एल्बो बेंड कर दी, अंदर चला गया. इसको ऐसा रखे सीधा 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 सीधा. मैं ही 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, 5 month. It will take 5 months to reach there, probably. You got it? And what I'm telling is, keeping the elbow bend, keep on improving the leg. Then only this will stretch. The technique of this asana, catch the leg, straighten the leg. Catch the toe, straighten the leg. Don't do like this. It will not reach. Because see, you are having technique available, no? Bend the knee, catch it, now straighten the leg. That is the principle of Padangusthasana, Pada. Similarly, when you are inserting, यहाँ से हेड अप आ गया, हो गया. अभी एक्सेल करके दोनों हाथ अंदर डाल दिया, घुटना बेंड है, इनहेल, घुटना बेंड है, रहने दो, एक्सेल. देखो अच्छी तरह अंदर जाएगा, बिकॉज बेंड है ना नहीं. धीरे 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 करके हैव टू स्ट्रेटन. इनहेल, हेड अप, एक्सेल, कैच द वेस्ट, घुटना बेंड है, इनहेल, स्टैंड अप, exhale, jump. Yeah. Downwards, no? Yeah. Downwards. So that means after catching, push that toe down, correct? See, good technique. So she's telling कि जब ये toe को catch हो गया, उसको ऊपर मत लेके आओ, नीचे की तरफ. Catch it, I mean hook it, but put it down. Good idea. Another thing, when you keep in Vrikshasana, if you keep here ना, यहाँ पे ताकत मतलब जाएगा. देखो यहाँ से धीरे धीरे स्लिप करके जाएगा. So if you keep it high, so when you keep the leg, try to use this hand and keep it high. So see, abhi automatic lock ho gaya. It doesn't slip. It's locked, no, because it has gone into the groin. Correct. So if you keep it here, no, here, slip hone ka chances.
It's hard to maintain the balance.
Yeah. नहीं उसमें क्या शायद फोकस का है mostly. If you look at one point, it will come. That connection आना चाहिए ना, see calf muscle, knee. You have to that strength has to travel through your thighs till the tip. And finger, don't keep finger closed. Simple engineering. If you have more area, you can balance easily. So keep your fingers nice and wide. So you will get good grip there. देखो अच्छा grip मेरा हो गया. देखो अगर मैं गिरेगा तभी लूज होगा तो I will open my hand. I think in one video I showed that. If I lose my balance, see, you have seen that rope balancing, no? What is it called? Tower to tower, they walk with a rod in the hand. You have seen that, no? They balance with a rod pakadta hai. That rod will give the balance. So if you are losing balance in Vrikshasana, what you do? Just open your arm. So now it's easy. See, even if I go, I will be able to balance because the rope is there. No, the distance has come. Correct. अगर इसमें भी अगर lost हो गया, just hop. Okay, now balance आ गया.
The point is to look at one.
Yeah, see, I was looking at that black. You can see that switchboard, no? उसका एक black टुकड़ा है. तो तन्मय तो मेरे को गिराने वाला था. Because he's keep on jumping. I was not able to get focus. But still somehow I managed. So now I'm using my hands now to balance. गिरा नहीं मैंने. Even if I fall, then I will lose my balance. I'll jump. I'll get my balance back. See, I got it. Now I can raise my arm. See, the way you take it, you have to take this muscle to strengthen it. Now only I look other place. Correct? That's the trick of it. Vrikshasana, then Virabhadrasana, Parshvottanasana. That's all we did. Marichyasana, Purvottanasana, Vakrasana, and oh, sorry if I thought here. Okay, now Sarvangasana, Matsyasana, Chakrasana. We'll do all the three. Okay. Now tuck your shirt, lie down. Okay, come. Tanmay, come. Practice with focus. Okay. Inhale. Take the arms over the head. Keep it on the ground. Straight arms. Very good. Exhale. Point your toe forward. Now inhale. Take both the legs up 90 degrees. Together, try to bring it up. Not one by one. Exhale. Bring the hands down. Good. Now inhale. Lift up and support it back. Good. Exhale. Keep on improving. Don't look at me. Look at your toe. Inhale. 1. Exhale. Good. Inhale. 2. Exhale. I will send you back there if you look at me. Inhale. Close your mouth. Straighten your back. Exhale. Bring the life on the tip of your toe. Inhale. Good. One more breath. Exhale. And inhale. 5. Beautiful. Exhale, leg down. Towards the head side. Thoda chalega. Balance towards the other side also. Inhale. No, keep your hip a little there. No balance. Exhale. Now see, you're able to balance on both the sides equal weight. 1. Inhale, knee straight if you can. Look at your nose. Exhale. That should be fine. Beyond that, no need to go. 2. Inhale. See, equalize the weight. You got it right. And exhale. Support your back, everybody. Good. 3. Now inhale, come back to Sarvangasana. Lift it up. Point your toe. Exhale. Slowly come, bring your hips on the ground. Now don't lift your head, back flat. Inhale, take your arms over your head now. Good. Exhale, bring the legs slowly down. Bring both the legs slowly down. Okay. Now, down. Take an inhalation. And exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, keep your hands close to your body. Exhale, point your toes. Now inhale, insert your arms below the buttocks. दोनों हाथ पूरा बटक्स के नीचे चला गया, इंक्लूडिंग एल्बो. एल्बो भी शरीर के नीचे जाएगा. एल्बो भी शरीर के नीचे जाएगा. एल्बो 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 किधर? एल्बो शरीर के नीचे. Stop laughing. Put both the elbow below the body. See, उनका elbow देखो. Where is the elbow? It is below the body. Point your toe with an exhalation. Good. Now inhale, upper body lift. Look at your toe. Complete upper body lift. Look at your toe. On your elbow. Full. Now exhale, put only the head back. You have to bulge and put your head back. Correct. Put the head completely down. Yeah. Inhale. Tanmay, chest up. Put your leg down. Exhale. Now put only the head back. 1. Inhale. Mouth close. Close your mouth. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Your thyroid has to stretch. And exhale. Bring the life on your feet. 3. Inhale. Where is the inhalation? No inhalation. Exhale. Mouth closed. 1 more breath. 4. Inhale. Open your eyes. And exhale. 5. Now inhale. Head up. Look at your toe. Good. Exhale. Completely lie down. Inhale. Remove your hands outside your buttocks. Look straight on the ceiling. Remove your hands. Exhale. Point your toes. That is the ceiling. Now inhale. Take the arms over your head. दोनों हाथ सीधा जमीन पे. Exhale. Point your toes forward. Good. Inhale. Bend your legs. Keep them away on the mat. Bend both the legs. Keep them away. Away. Exhale. Keep your hands by the side of your ears. On the यहाँ पे दबाइए side में ऐसा. Side of your ears. Chakrasana. Inhale. Lift up. Chakrasana. Good, Gayatri. That's it. Exhale. Put your head down. That's wonderful. Inhale. Ajao Pramod. 1. Exhale. Yeah, that's good, Pooja. Inhale. Yeah, that's better. 1 more. Exhale. Seniors, walk your legs to the hand. Inhale. Heels up. All of you, heels up. Heels up in the air. Now exhale. Slowly come down. Slowly come down. Good. Now inhale. Remove your legs first. Why the legs removed earlier? Bend it. Bend it. Keep it away. Keep your hands properly. So close your mouth. Keep your legs here. Now inhale. Take the legs forward. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. Exhale. Keep your hands down. Down. Now relax Shavasana. Don't mix. What I am telling exactly like that you have to do. Tanmay, when I say take the leg, that time only you can take the leg, not before that. Now all of you do 1 more time Chakrasana. Inhale, bend your legs, keep it away from each other on the mat. Bend your legs, keep it away from each other on the mat. Exhale, keep your hands by the side of your ears. Keep your legs close to the buttocks. Like this. Now inhale, pick up 1 more Chakrasana. Yeah, it's correct. Lift up. Yeah, good. Put your head down. Put your head down. Don't look up. Yeah, good. See, now it's improving. Exhale. Okay, as much as possible, stay there. Inhale. Now you stand up. Relax a little. Okay, once you're done, slowly come down if you're tired. Tanmay, come up. Wait. You stand up from there. Come to standing position. Come up. Look straight. Look straight. Now you drop back also. Same way. Go back also. Bend. Slowly. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there for some time. Till tomorrow 4 o'clock. You also try to drop back. I'll use a rope. Slowly drop back. Guarantee you will not fall. Okay. Now that's it. Yeah. See, now your chakra is really formed, unlike what I was seeing in your online. I don't know how it improved. Walk your legs to the hand a little. Yeah, that's good. The taller you can stay, the better. Yeah, that's good. Good. Inhale, stand up. Relax. Who else? You do chakrasana once again. You come to chakrasana once again. मैं उठाएगा आपको, पैर दूर. पहले चक्रासन आ जाओ. Good. Okay, now I'm going to pull up. Wait. Now come to standing. Come, stand up. Relax. Take a little time. Relax. Take 2 or 3 breaths. Now same way, try to drop back. Exhale. Take the arm over your head. हाथ ऊपर से. जाएगा. नहीं गिरेगा नहीं. मैं पकड़ा है ना. हाथ नीचे रख दो. रख दो. दोनों हाथ नीचे. हो गया. रुको थोड़ा टाइम. Now slowly lie down. देखो आ गया. Good. Yeah. But now the chakrasana was far better. Maybe when you are asking something. No, you did chakrasana. How you did? I don't know.
I did it last time also.
Okay. So because it's not easy to do within 2-3. Maybe when you were young, you used to do it. That's the reason. Okay. Fantastic. See, सिखा दिया आपको वो जमाने में. Good. No, it's not easy. I'm telling you. See, 3-4 years people are not able to do. 4 years, 5 years, not able to do chakrasana because itna stiff ho gaya. Their arms are not strong. See, she's doing in 2 months. She's doing. I think you took at least 6 months to do it. 6 months you're not doing, no chakrasana. You took at least 6 months to do it. That weight. It's okay, but fairly okay. Not much of an issue. All of you sit Vajrasana.
Small thing.
Okay, now special asana. We'll do 1 or 2 asanas. Okay, all of you pick pillow. Take pillow. Bakasana. Everybody try Bakasana. Special asana we'll do. If you want, take 2 bricks. With bricks, little more easy. 1 pillow is enough. 1 pillow is enough. Sit back properly. You have to keep it in front. आगे रखना है ऐसा. If you want, keep 2 to be safer side. You should not fall back. That's all. How much ever you want to do, use, no problem. So Bakasana. So where is Puja? Puja will show you once. With bricks, the height will be very good. You'll get very big height. नोडकोंडु संभाल के करना है प्रमोद. धीरे धीरे करना है, गिरना नहीं. So in this Bakasana, the one tip is knee on the armpit. So if you keep knee on the armpit, the height will become very good, like that. So I keep my knee on the armpit, lift my heels, correct? See, so I keep it here, lift my heels. Then I take that one leg. That's a trick. So as high as you can keep it, the taller you come. So it's not jumping. Some people I've seen. How will you do it? Not possible. No jumping. Tanmay and all. No jumping. Try. Keep your. It's okay if you want to do like this. Also you can do. Little keep it outside. Beginners you can do like this. See, this is fine. Keep your thigh on the elbow, out inner part of the thigh. Now try. Beginners, careful. Okay, गिरेगा तो भी head pillow पे आना चाहिए. No jumping. One leg. Okay. That's why that pillow will save you. चेतना आ गया. प्रमोद. मैं jumping किधर किया मैंने? किधर किया था क्या jumping? Then. Correct. Pillow. Correct only. That's it. You're getting it. Puja did no?
I did.
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಉಮಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ did. correct. Uma bandide alva. No jumping, Tanmay. Keep your leg on the hand. No, keep it on the hand and lift your leg in the air. That's all, Bakasana. Lift it up. Keep it on the hand and balance on the hand. No, you're not keeping on the hand. This knee you have to keep on the hand. No jumping. Try to lift one leg after the other. Show me puja. Slowly lift up. Correct, Pallav. Correct. Puja, see her height better than mine. See the height? See, she has cleared the ground without pillow, okay? Tanmay, correct. Correct. Balance. Pramod, ho gaya? Uma, bandide. Bandide. Adde bedako ashte. ನೋಡಿ she was thinking किधर से आएगा मैं नहीं कर पाया अभी किया ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಕಾಸು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು see your fear goes away
Easy one like after
yeah I mean that keeping here
slow.
that is that difficult no because see that's the way to elevate. Careful, Tanmay. So getting there. So this takes you really high. Takes you really high because of the position of the knee. So if you keep it low, how much ever try, the maximum I can reach here. Beyond that I cannot go. Correct? Because the knee is here. If my support point is here, pure engineering. The leg will go more high. That's it. Correct, Tanmay. Technique is correct. You
The
try
body
Shirshasana.
weight,
How many of you Shirshasana people? Shirshasana people.
Sir,
Today no
body
time for
weight is
pranayama.
taken.
Shirshasana. Puja Shirshasana. You Shirshasana.
Sir? Sir?
Try here.
Look at that. I just need the wall.
Try here. और कौन है शीर्षासन वाला? You can try with the wall. Who is trying with the wall? Tanmay, try with the wall. Slowly.
Sir, are you able to hear me, sir?
Yeah, good. So you're able to balance, that's it. The launching is the only issue. Now I'm going to remove the fear of falling, okay? Just bend the knee. Bend the knee. Push your hip forward. Bend the knee. Push your hip forward. Aage. Now land. Bend the knee. I want you to land here. Back here. Land it. Bend the knee. Just land. Land. Land ho gaya. Okay? Now change your hand. Change your hand. Chakrasana position. Come up, Chakrasana. Yeah, Chakrasana. Come up, Chakrasana. Now stand up.
Oh my God. I didn't know I was in there.
Go up, Tanmay. Connect here. Till tomorrow you have to be here only. Slowly come. Put your leg down. Okay. Relax. So what you see, that launching is what you have to stop. This puja. So that in launching, if you soft launch, then you can catch it. I'll just quickly show little. Yeah. No, so do like this. I'll tell you. And always use, see, you'll be putting oil. No, it's better to use a cloth because otherwise your mat will become with oil. So Shirshasana is not leg above the head. It is hip has to come above the head. Hip is very heavy. How many of you have lifted people? Middle portion is very heavy. So leg and everything, this is very heavy actually. So when you do that Shirsha, see, I walk forward. That's it. See? So what came? Not the leg. Leg is here only. I brought the hip.
Where is the leg? Leg did not go. I'm able to have the balance. Walk, 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 walk. Hip has come above the head. Just lift the leg. See, the leg comes automatic because majority weight chala gaya na upar. See, just play around. Nothing is there on the leg. Leg to automatically upar chala jayega. When you come down also, the hip remains there. The leg has not, leg नीचे आएगा लेकिन hip नीचे नहीं आएगा. So try to balance with folded leg. So from here, just take the hip forward, just fold your legs up. Your half Shirshasana is over because you're balancing on that point. Taking the leg, you can play around. See, the control comes because your hip has been connected. Legs are free. See, leg is not doing much. Leg is nothing. Only hip. I'm not moving the hip only. I'm moving the legs anywhere. The hip doesn't change. Hip doesn't move. The hip is locked.
Sorry, I was changing my leg everywhere without moving this. Okay, I know where, as long as the hip doesn't move, I'm not going to lose the balance. That's the game of this. Yeah. This is very heavy. How many of you lifted this one? When you go cremation, no? Have you lifted? Anybody has gone for cremation? Anybody is lifted? Huh? Yeah. So when you go for cremation, two people catch the center. Two people, head and leg, everything easy. Center is very heavy. Even if the person is no more, the center is very heavy. This is very heavy because of the pelvis, everything. So if you keep managing the pelvis, the center, Shirshasana is over. I did not know it actually. It came with experience only. I understood. I was thinking because in Shirshasana when I'm standing, I'm thinking, okay, where is my weight? Okay, I'm thinking. So I understood. ऐसा है, इसका secret ऐसा है. मेरे को तो पता चला ऐसा. मेरे को किसी ने बोला नहीं था. Yes. Head will come more on your shoulders and your elbow. More.
I thought it should come on the way. So the minute I push myself, I feel unwell.
Fall.
Trying to get the weight on my head.
See, when you fall, you have to fall like I showed. See, you're here. When you fall, just bend the leg, bend the leg. Keep your hip here. See, the hip doesn't change here also. Bend the leg, bend the leg, bend the leg. See, I fell without injury, no? I fell without injury.
मैं गिरा, but my hip was here. So even if I fell, I did not injure myself. I know how to fall. When you know how to fall, what is the fear in Shirshasana? No fear.
I think I have to try.
That's why I asked if to fall this side.
I'll try.
When somebody is at home, ask your husband or somebody to put you to the other side without hurting the neck. So you will know how to fall.
And do not change.
And that's okay. So once you learn how to fall, the fear of Shirshasana is gone. Okay. And try to manage your hip more than the leg in Shirshasana. Okay. Bye. Namaste. Thank you. Namaste. 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 Thanks for coming. It's a very, see, when I'm explaining these things, though, believe me, I learn. See, whatever I showed is from my, when I was explaining, those thoughts came to me. I did not prepare for this. So it is benefiting me, no? It is like clearing my thoughts. It is improving my own skills. That's what I'm telling. So when you come, it helps me a lot. Okay. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Sir, small doubt here.
I think I was not audible.
Yeah, we were not able to
Audible,
ask
hearing.
out.
Yeah.
Maybe the audio was not there.